Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we have problem number 13. It's about write a program that takes a number and prints the following ascending letter pattern. In the previous two lessons, we take how we print the numbers ascending and descending. In this lesson, we will know or we will learn how to print the letter in ascending way. Okay? For example, if the user inputs 5, the output should be A, B, B, C, C, D, 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 E. And in this lesson, we'll take ascending letter. In the next lesson, we'll take descending letter. Just now, let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're gonna write this code, or we convert this requirement of problem number 13 into code. Let's go to Visual Studio. Alright, this is our solution of problem number 13. Write a program that takes a number and prints the following ascending letter, not number, letter parents. So let's do run first to see how the program looks like. Perfect. Please insert a number. Let's say number 5. Perfect. The compile print for me A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E. Let's go to code to see how we build this program. First thing, we have get positive number. We really make this function tired with us. And after that, we have procedure. It's called print ascending letter pattern. Before it was print ascending number, but this time letter. We want to print the letters. All right, and it takes the value from the previous function. Let's open it to see the logic inside this procedure. It's same like the previous. We just change a little bit and we add some things. Integer I equal 1, you already know it, and we add this line of code, char letter equal A. We assign variable letter A. It's already explained itself. So letter A, it will be stored inside letter, and it's from char data type, which means character. All right, and we have nested while loop statements. While I less than equal value, I represent what? Number 1. 1 less than value, it was stored inside number what? Number 5. We insert when we did run. Number 5. So value is stored inside number 5. 1 less than 5, correct. The compiler will go inside the first while loop and face the second while loop condition. While j less than or equal 1, j we assign to it here what? Number 1. So 1 less than 1 because I still like represent 1. No, 1 is not less than 1. 1 equal 1, correct. So please go inside this second while loop and execute this line of code. See out less than letter. Letter represent what? Letter variable stored inside it, character A. So the compiler will print for us A and J plus plus. J already represent 2. 2 less than 1? No. 2 equal 1? Also no. So the compiler will go out of the second while loop and do C out less than slash N for the new line. Letter plus plus. Compiler now will increase the value of the variable letter from A to B. Why make it B not 2? Because we have it here char data type. So instead A it will be letter variable. When we say here letter plus plus, which means compiler will change the value of the variable letter from A to B. And the I also plus plus, I already represent 2 also. We'll get back again to the same first while loop. 2 less than or equal 5. We say 5, it's come from the user when we insert it and store it inside value variable. I we increase it just right now. So 2 less than 5. Yes, go inside the first while loop statements and execute the second while loop statement. While j less than 2, yes, j it's less than 2, which means 1 less than 2. Go execute C out less than letter. But letter now represents already what? Letter P, because we increase it here after the first process. After we already print A, and we said letter plus plus, letter already represent P, and now when we come to print letter already represent letter P or character P. Okay, so C out less than letter, compiler will print for us letter P, and J plus plus. J already represent 2. 2 less than 2? No. 2 equal 2? Yes. Compiler will go inside the inner while loop, second while loop, and execute the character B for second time, and after that J plus plus. J already represent 3. 3 less than 2? No. 3 equal 2? No. So the compiler will go out of this second while loop and do the same lines of code, line slash n, letter plus plus, letter already represent character C, and I plus plus, I also represent number 3, and so on until these while statement conditions become false. The compiler will exit them and come here to the main function, which just has nested functions. We call the name of the procedure print ascending letter pattern, and we put in its parameter get positive number, and its parameter please insert a number. Let's do run for the second time. Please insert a number. Let's say number 3. A, B, B, C, Z. It's correct. So that was the problem of today. Problem number 13. It was about write a program that takes a number and prints the following ascending letter pattern. See you next lesson, next problem.